Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the mandatory documents and filing a formal request. This is the fastest path. Once you have Aadhaar, a recent electricity bill, photo ID and address proof, fill the name change application form clearly, sign it, and obtain owner NOC if the meter is rented. Make the payment online or at the local TSSBDCL/TSNPDCL office immediately to queue the request. Doing this now prevents delays later and links your identity to the connection for verification. Once submitted, you need to follow through with verification and inspection steps. This is where most cases stall. Upload scanned documents online or hand over originals at the office, note the reference number, and agree to a site visit. The inspector will confirm meter details and occupancy, make sure someone is present and has ID. If discrepancies arise, provide additional proof promptly. Once the inspection clears, the DISCOM processes the name change and updates records. Track status using your reference number. You finish by confirming the update and verifying the next bill. That confirms success. Once the DISCOM updates records, download or collect the revised bill and check that your name and address match. Make sure Aadhaar linkage and payment records reflect the change and monitor the next meter reading cycle to ensure billing continuity. If the change is delayed or incorrect, immediately contact customer care with your reference number or escalate to the Consumer Grievance Redressal Forum to resolve errors fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.